Guys, invest money in yourself and don't take second opinions while buying courses, while buying books, while spending money on your gym membership, or if you're investing money on your looks, your well-being. Do not ever take second opinions. Just do it. Just do it. Investing in yourself matters the most because you are the biggest asset. And when you invest in yourself, I guess only then people will take you seriously. And most importantly, in order to be successful, you should be deserving. Do you deserve success?